Hello online friends, I am Zaid Bin Shakir
And I am Shakir. Welcome to our channel Angel's Click. Friends, today Zaid will educate you on some advanced and time-saving Windows keyboard shortcut. Before we proceed on, you are requested to please subscribe to Angel's Click and smash the bell icon for more such videos. Let's get started.
Friends, it's an open secret that in this tech-savvy era, almost everyone uses tech gadgets like PC, mobile, laptops, etc. to multiply their productivity and improve upon their social media connectivity. The use of these devices has skyrocketed in the wake of lockdowns due to COVID-19 pandemic. However, using these devices can be challenging sometimes, especially when we have to complete huge projects within tight timelines. To tackle this problem, we discussed some basic Windows keyboard shortcuts in previous video. This is the second video of our series of videos on keyboard shortcuts. In this video, we will discuss some advanced and time-saving Windows keyboard shortcuts. I also have a bonus tip which I will tell you at the end of the video, so please watch this video till end and let's discuss these shortcuts one by one. Sometimes there are a lot of tabs open on your desktop and you do not want to minimize them one by one with the mouse. To do that with the keyboard, just press Windows and M keys at a time and see it will minimize all the tabs and it will clean your desktop in a flash. If you want to open an app from the taskbar without using a mouse, just press Windows key and the number of that app from the taskbar. For example, I want to open the calculator app from my taskbar and see it is the second app in my taskbar. So I will press Windows and 2 keys at a time and see it is open. The third handy keyboard shortcut is to open File Explorer by just pressing Windows key and E keys at a time. See, the File Explorer is opened. The next cool keyboard shortcut is to take a screenshot. If you want to take a screenshot, just press Windows key and print screen button and it will take a screenshot. However, in some keyboards like mine, there is an insert key instead of the print screen. So in that case, just press function key, Windows key and that insert key and it will take a screenshot. It will automatically save it in screenshot folder in pictures folder. See, here is our screenshot. Sometimes it can be difficult and irritating to navigate between a lot of open tabs using a mouse. To do that with the keyboard, just press Alt and Tab keys simultaneously and it will show you all the open tabs on the screen and you can navigate between them quite easily. Sometimes it can be a hassle to first select the file, right click on it, go down and press the rename option and then rename the file. To avoid this hassle, you just have to press one key, which is the F2 key, after selecting the file. And now you can rename the file as you want. The next keyboard shortcut is to open the Settings app by just pressing Windows and I keys at a time and it will take you to the settings. This is the keyboard shortcut that most of the people don't use. Chatting with your friend on a laptop and want to use emojis? No problem. Just press Windows key and semicolon key at a time and it will activate the emoji panel. Now you can have a nice chat. If your desktop is messed up with a lot of open tabs and want another clean desktop, just press Windows key, Control key and D key at a time and it will take you to another clean desktop. But where is all your work that you did in the previous desktop? Is it all deleted? No way! To navigate between the desktops, just press Windows key, Control key and left or right arrows. See, all your hard work is back. Now if you want to delete a desktop, just press Windows key, Control key and F4 key at a time and it will delete the currently open desktop. The last keyboard shortcut in this video is security related. Suppose you are doing an important work and you want to go somewhere for a while. But you don't want someone to mess up or see your important work. You don't need to worry. Just press Windows key and L key at a time and it will lock the screen. So as we have gone through all the keyboard shortcuts, it's time for the bonus tip. It is about creating a custom keyboard shortcut for apps. For example, I want to create a keyboard shortcut for Google app. I will press Windows key and type Google. It will show you the app and you have to right click on it and press the option Open File Location. It will take you to the original location of the file. Now you have to right click on that file, go to Properties, go to Shortcut tab, and a dialog box for creating our custom keyboard shortcut will appear containing Ctrl and Alt. We just have to add our desired letter to complete the shortcut key. For example, I want G key for Google. I will press G key and it will make the shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus G. I have to click Apply and Continue and OK. Now this is how you can make your custom keyboard shortcuts. That's all for today.
Hope you enjoyed the video. If you found it interesting and informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends on social media platforms. To watch our video on basic and helpful Windows keyboard shortcut, please click here. See you as soon in another interesting episode of Tech Corner. Thanks for watching.